हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, महादेव हर। हमारी यूट्यूब चैनल योगीराज योगी ऑफिशियल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने के बदल आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आज हम देखेंगे स्टैंडर्ड 8 सोशल साइंस सब्जेक्ट का पीरियोडिक असेसमेंट टेस्ट पेपर सॉल्यूशन। तो आइए देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, मैच द आइटम्स इन कॉलम्स ए विद दोज गिवन इन कॉलम बी। यानी कि कॉलम ए में जो आपको दिया गया है उसको आपको कॉलम बी से मैच करना है। तो ए कॉलम में क्या दिया गया है? अर्थक्वेक, सुनामी, फ्लूड, लैंडस्लाइड एंड द हरिकेन। तो आइए देखते हैं। तो ए में फर्स्ट है अर्थक्वेक, तो उसमें क्या आएगा? डी, द अर्थ सरफेस इज शेकिंग सडनली विथ स्पीड। आफ्टर देन सेकंड वन इज सुनामी, उसमें क्या आएगा? ए, वेरी पावरफुल वेव्स आर जनरेटेड एट सी लेवल। उसके बाद थर्ड वन इज फ्लड, उसमें क्या आएगा? ई, अ सडन रश ऑफ वाटर इनटू द रिवर। फोर्थ वन इज लैंडस्लाइड, उसमें क्या आएगा? बी, द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द टेरेन मूव्स डाउनवर्ड्स। उसके बाद फिफ्थ वन इज हरिकेन, उसमें आएगा सी, एन एयर स्टॉर्म अराइजेस। उसके बाद हम क्वेश्चन 2 देखते हैं। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन ब्रीफ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज state the two causes of volcanic eruption and its two advantages. Two causes of volcano eruptions are high temperature in the interior of earth, creation of magma. अब उसके advantages देखते हैं। The fertility of land increase and the hot water springs in the areas of volcano have germ killing property. उसके बाद second question है, state the two main effects of hurricane on human life. Effects of hurricane on human life: winds can damage houses and trees. Wind can damage outside property. Third question is, state the main cause of flood in the river. Flooding is caused by atmospheric condition leads to heavy rain or the rapid of snow and ice. Fourth question is, state the cause and effect of forest fire. तो देखते हैं पहले cause of forest fire। तो friction between dry branches causes of forest fire. Effect of forest fire: the great amount of damage to resources. उसके बाद क्वेश्चन 3a, do as directed. The effects of British rule on India are given in brackets. Classify them. यानी कि हमें दो पार्ट में उसका डिवीज़न करना है, इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट और सोशल इम्पैक्ट। इकोनॉमिक इम्पैक्ट में आएगा peasantry was ruined and millions of artisans become unemployed। और सोशल इम्पैक्ट में आएगा इंग्लिश एजुकेशन was introduced and second one is the practice of village self government was destroyed। Question 3b, reforms of British rule become a boon for the cause of nationalism. Explain the statement. The policy of social reforms the company made people increase and suspicious. Economic reasons: the aim the British was to bring prosperity to England at the cost of India. As a result, the landlord and peasants, having lost their lands, participated in the revolt. Political reasons: the East India Company accused the rights at the results of their victory in the Battle of Buxar in 1764 CE. Question 4a, identify me. First question is, I am the greenhouse effect that warms the Earth's atmosphere. Answer आएगा global warming। उसके बाद second question है, I am the short term average condition of temperature, humidity and rainfall of any region. Answer आएगा weather। Third one is, the use of foam, plastic, freeze, AC, etc. is responsible for my emergence. तो आंसर आएगा क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन यानी कि CFC। Question 4b, explain the damage caused to the hydrosphere due to the effects of global warming. The level of groundwater was decreased. The polar ice have started acting due to increasing heat. Disposal of industrial and chemical waste into rivers, streams, lake and seas pollutions the water. Question 5. Answer the following question in brief. First one is, name the upper and lower house of parliament. upper house of parliament is Rajya Sabha and the lower house of parliament is Lok Sabha. Second question is, state the total number of members of Rajya Sabha. How many seats are there in Gujarat? The total members of Rajya Sabha is 250 and 11 seats are there in Gujarat. Third question is, what is the name of the administrative head of Rajya Sabha who adorns this place in terms of position? Venkaiah Naidu is the administrative head of Rajya Sabha if he is not in that situation. After Vice President who have the power after him will adorn the place in terms of position. Fourth question is, what is a bill? A draft of a proposed law presenters Parliament for discussion is called bill. Fifth question is, name any two functions of Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha functions primarily as the representative of the states of India in the Parliament. It has an important role in reviewing and alerting the laws initiated by the Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha can also initiate legislation. A bill is required to pass through the Rajya Sabha is ordered to become a law. So we hope you have understood the information we have provided. Thank you.